Hey guys, this is Buzz. In this little video I'm going to show you guys how to make a carb sync tool for the Yamaha vstar. Hope you enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're back again, you know the deal. This is Buzz, and today we're going to make a carb sync tool. I got a Yamaha vstar and I wanted to make a carb sync tool. Did some research, found out how to go about it. Instead of paying 180 euros for the mechanical device with the little gauges, I thought I'd just make one myself. So the things you're going to need are a yardstick. I don't have a yardstick, but I've got a piece of MDF that I got cut at the local cabinet maker. It's 90 centimeters long. A yardstick is about 90 centimeters long. You get two holes, about 15 centimeters apart, and definitely you need one hole right up the top. And that's how you organize the yardstick. I got them pre-drilled just at the man where I bought it from, at the cabinet maker. 316 for clear tubing or petrol line tubing. I think it's very common, you can find it. About 4 meters of it I got, so you'll need about 4 meters roughly. Half a dozen, or not half a dozen zip ties. You're going to need to tie these hoses to here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And some 2-stroke motor oil to be able to put into this thing. So that's it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is mark out the middle of your tube. So I said 4 meters I already marked it out. This is about the 2 meter mark, so that's about the middle. That's where it's going to go down on the bottom of this yardstick. So once I do that, just like that, and leave it a bit loose so there's no real bends in the hose. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like. If you've got a comment, good or bad, leave a comment. Most importantly, subscribe. It will help me out. And we can't forget that one right at the top. That's where you're going to hang it, if you need to hang it. So we just put one up the top like that, and I will just cut off all these extra little pieces, and we're nearly done. That's what it should look like. There you go, all the way to the top. Got a little place where you can hang it from. Now the last step is to put some oil in this, and you should just siphon a little bit of oil into these tubes. Now here's the end product. The oil's in there, the 2-stroke oil. As you can see, there's the level there. Now you have just been buzzed by the fuzz and a carb sync tool under $10. Save you a fortune. Now stay tuned for my next video, and on the next video I'll put it on the bike and I'll show you guys how to sync the carbs. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, good or bad. You've been buzzed by the fuzz.